Once upon a time, there was a little boy named Sammy. Sammy loved to play and learn, but he found it challenging to understand numbers. He tried repeatedly, but numbers seemed complicated and incomprehensible to him. One night, as Sammy was deeply asleep, something strange and magical happened. Sammy woke up to find himself in a strange place full of bright colors. The place was vivid and enchanting, and there were numbers floating in the air around him. Sammy felt confused, but not scared. On the contrary, he felt excited and ready to discover. Suddenly, the number 1 appeared before him, small but confident. The number 1 said, "Hello, Sammy. I am number 1. I live here in the land of numbers. Come with me on a journey to discover my number friends and learn all about counting and arithmetic." Sammy smiled and said, "Hello, 1. I really want to learn how to count and understand numbers. I would be happy to go with you." 1 began to explain to Sammy, saying, "I am number 1 and I love unity. I am the first number in the series of numbers, and without me, nothing would exist at all." Then, as Sammy and 1 walked, they met the number 2. Number 2 was cheerful and lively. 2 said, "Hello, Sammy. I am number 2 and I love sharing. When you are with someone else, everything becomes more fun, like when we play together or work as a team." Sammy said, "That's great, 2. So, when we add 1 and 1, we get 2, right?" 2 replied, "Exactly, Sammy. And when we add 2 and another 1, we get 3. Now, let's go meet number 3. When they reached number 3, 3 was busy baking cakes. 3 said, "Hello, Sammy. I am number 3. I love balance. Look at the cakes I made. They are 3 perfectly equal pieces." Sammy laughed and said, "I love cakes. And now I understand how addition works. But what about number 4? At that moment, number 4 appeared carrying a big box. 4 said, "Hello, Sammy. I am number 4. I love organization. I am good at arranging things in squares and putting everything in its right place." Sammy said excitedly, "Wow. So if I add 2 and 2, I get 4. This is so much fun." Sammy continued his journey with his number friends. He met number 5 who loved music and creating melodies, and number 6 who was passionate about animals and had 6 little rabbits. Then they met number 7 who loved nature and stars, and number 8 who had a talent for art and painting, and number 9 who loved games and was always ready for fun. Finally, Sammy reached number 10, who was the biggest and most wise among the numbers. 10 said, "Hello, Sammy. I am number 10. I am a combination of 1 and 0, and when we come together, we become more powerful. Thanks to us, big and exciting numbers begin." Sammy felt happy and proud of everything he learned. Sammy said, "Thank you all. Now I can count and understand numbers better. Each one of you has something special, and I am glad I met you." The numbers laughed and said, "We are happy too, Sammy. Always remember that numbers are not as difficult as you once thought. They are just friends who need a little understanding." Suddenly, the land of numbers started to fade away slowly, and Sammy found himself back in his bed. He woke up the next morning feeling refreshed and excited to apply what he had learned. He started counting his toys, calculating points in his games, and excelling in math. And so, Sammy lived his days happily, knowing that numbers are friends and not just mysterious symbols. That journey to the land of numbers was a turning point in Sammy's life, and from then on, he began to see numbers as a fun part of his life.